Make some money online by watching this. Do you wish to make some extra income? Do you long for extra money? Well, it is easier than you thought. Don't look any further than the internet to help you generate money. There are plenty of money-making opportunities online. You only need to know where to find them. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Children, spouses, and other people can cut you off at the most inconvenient times. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. When looking for opportunities to make money online, try the big name companies first. Amazon and eBay, for example, are trusted and have proven to work for millions of people. While it can be safe and lucrative to go with unknowns, the big companies have track records, tools, and other ways of ensuring your success from the get-go. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. To make real money online, consider launching a freelance writing career. There are numerous reputable sites that offer decent pay for video and content writing services. By checking into these options and watching feedback of each company, it really is possible to earn an income without ever leaving your home. With this new knowledge, you've got the smarts to begin making money online. Get more money by following the tips presented here. Learn all you can by watching more online. You might start getting rich in no time. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.